Hey everybody, I'm Jared Allen with Bully Bag & Tool Company, and today we're going to discuss retainers. Retractable reels, whatever you want to call them, they help you from dropping your stuff. This is our badge retainer. This is a very lightweight 2-ounce retraction, 36-inch reel. It's super handy for super light gear like your badges, maybe a pen, a Sharpie, shingle gauge. These light tools that you know you're probably going to lose and really don't want to. And more so than that, you don't want them to become a falling hazard. So that's the badge retainer right there. And these, depending on which of the Bully Bag Ultra pouches that you buy, they will come with a gear retainer as well as a badge retainer, as we discussed here. This is our gear retainer. This is 6 ounces of retraction. Pretty good little pull. You're not really, until you use it, you may think the 6 ounces isn't that much, but it really is. It's pretty strong. I use mine for my camera, keep it tethered safe and from becoming a falling hazard, as well as becoming a financial crux on me to have to replace it yet again before we started developing these. So this is an absolutely terrific tool, and so that's the gear retainer right there. I would say max that out to a weight of something around a small regular size camera, not too heavy of a camera, and you should be just fine, or maybe even a clipboard, things of that nature. Really good smooth retraction. Then we're going to move up a little bit here. This is called our tool retainer. It's an 8-ounce retainer. It has a locking buckle on the back, which is really great. So once you put it on, say you put it on your Ultra pouch or you put it on your belt, it's not going to come off very easily, which is good. With a oversized split ring and a pintle type of a lock here, as you can see, this retracts for 48 inches and goes right back in. This is a super handy item for if you're running 2-story steep rope and harness, if you're running those dangerous claims that I've ran for a long time, or anything at height. If you're a gaff or some person that works at height and has to use their tools, they don't want them to drop and cause injury to others. This one's really good. It's got a really smooth draw. Use this for a clipboard. Use it for the sidebar, tools like that. It's really good. That 8 ounces of retraction. It's got a really smooth draw on it, and it's a really super tool. So something to consider right there as a safety item, as well as a retention of your own gear. This is our extreme retainer. This is 12 ounces of retention, and we list on the website that this is not a toy, because it's not. A lot of times people get these tool managers and they like to pull them out and release it and let it go, and isn't that fun? It makes a smacking sound, and that's cool. This has a very strong amount of retention, 36 inches of reach, and you would use this for something like, a heavier pry bar, maybe a hammer. We use these in the field whenever we're doing tarp installs for our hammers, and even so much as for our nail guns. Not that it's necessarily rated for that, but it will hold it, and it's kept as safe. So super important item right there is it has a locking pintle on it, just like the tool retainer does as well. So that whenever you put this in, it's not gonna come out. You unlock it, pull it, use it, retract it back and forth. Then when you want to lock it into place to make it static, you can do that as well. So don't forget that the gear retainer and the badge retainer can come preloaded on the Bully Bag Ultra pouch of your choice. The tool retainer and the extreme retainer are available for an individual purchase, as are all four, at bullybag.com, so you can stay safe out there while you claim the storm.